Hello guys, it's HDM, Hans the Miner. Now I'll teach you how to change your skin. Just like promised, next episode. I'll teach you how to change your skin. Just, you need this first. Okay. Wait, come on. You'll need pocket tool. I'll tell you later. Just go to browser, and see this. Go to www.minecraftskins.info. Okay, and like Flash, and search. You will see this. Movie skins, TV skins, game character skin, people character skin, fantasy character skin, mob skin, and other skin. I'll go to the mob. Mob. Okay. Just get what you want. I'm just gonna search here. What character do you like? If you want Goku, you can search there. I like these. I pick these. Tron Creeper. Okay. A regular Tron skin, blah 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 blah. Just download it. Okay, still downloading. Still downloading. Okay, now. You'll go to pocket tool. You'll go to the last one. Download. No, this is not one. It's here. Install, download content. You'll go there. There's Tron Creeper there. Tron Creeper. You long press, and it'll say, "What would you like to do?" Install. Installing. Go back. Go to the toolkit, the first bar on, and you'll go to change texture scan. You got flash. See? Flash. There you go. Now here's the Tron Creeper. And say, what would you like to do? Use skin. And where you'll go to the menu. Wherever your menu is, just find your menu. I don't know your menu where, but my menu is over here. That's my menu. That's my menu. So apply changes. We'll just wait for a while. Okay. Come on. There. We'll still put there Pachimon. I don't know what Pachimon is. What's Pachimon? I don't know. Oh, it's here. Minecraft Foundation. The application will now be installed. Don't be afraid, guys. It's gonna be safe. Just press OK. Just believe me, it's gonna be safe. Okay. Press OK. Uninstalling. Uninstall. Lily. Installing. Install finish. Mario is okay. And validation. You install it again. Installing. Installing. Oh, there. Application is installed. Open. Look, it's really safe. See, it's safe. This. Now I'm gonna try on paper. See, I changed my skin. So, see you with the next episode, guys. I hope you like it. Please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And this is a view you see. So, you will see at the next episode of HDM Hans the Miner. Good luck, guys. God bless you all. And goodbye. Oh, wait, see the Tron face? Goodbye.